Hi guys, Aarti this side. You can subscribe my channel. Can we use if function with and or? Yes, we can. So here is a sample data set. Now if you want to calculate whether employee get incentive or not, you just use this formula. Here if bracket and, here and is an inner function, then bracket e2 greater than 80,000 comma g2 equals to excellent. So here both condition must be true if we are using and function. After that, if this statement is true, if is and condition is true, then incentive will display, otherwise no incentive will display. So here e2 value is sales. This is the sales value. Okay, so we have to check this sales value. This is e2 cell. So here we just write if bracket and e2 greater 80,000 comma g2 equals to excellent, bracket then incentive, then no incentive, then just press enter. So here no incentive for e2 cell. Okay, so I think sales is lesser than 85,000 and performance rating is also not excellent. Now you can also use if function with or function. So for example, this is the formula here. Okay, so in or function only one condition can be true, either this condition or second condition. So but in case of AND function, both condition must be true. Okay, so if any of these condition true, then incentive will display, otherwise no incentive will display. Here g2 is good, this cell. Okay, so you just write this formula and then enter. So the result is incentive. So this is the way to use if with and or functions. And in AND function both condition must be true, but in OR function only one condition can be true. Okay, thank you so much.